Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Makar. I'm a PT trainer at Western Overseas. In this video, I would like to share with you experience of my student who has recently got 71 marks in PTE. So let me congratulate you, Rahul, for this achievement of yours.
Thank you.
And this is your scorecard. He has got 70 plus score in all the modules with 75 in reading and 72 in writing. Moreover, 19 written scores. Yes, 19 written scores. So, how's your experience at Western Overseas?
It was good, it was really fun, it was fruitful, and I really enjoyed my studies here. Not like proper into the books, I mean the nature, the environment, the teachers.
So you want to tell us that we don't create bookworms?
Yeah, exactly, that's my point,
Okay. And what else? Do the trainers used to give you one-to-one interaction?
Yes, my trainers used to give me one-to-one interaction. They used to support me. They used to tell my mistakes. They used to correct on my mistakes. And obviously, it's good.
What were the modules that you were like weak in?
I was weak in writing. And obviously, I scored 90 in that. Moreover, speaking, I was lagging in that. And my teachers helped me in that.
Okay. So, what the words you can use for giving us as a tribute?
My teachers, good teachers, very pleasant, very happy, very fun-loving, very educative, very knowledgeable, and very helpful.
So what the lines you recommend for Western Overseas?
I would like to recommend Western Overseas to all my friends, to all my dear ones, to all my knowns for guaranteed results in a short term of time. And the result is in front of you. I did my PT in 25 to 30 days and I scored this score.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.